Saturday, January 29th, 7:40 a.m. We have this little toy bulldozer out there frantically plowing everything. There was a big truck out here at 5 a.m., so they've been pretty much plowing continuously. But what's interesting is my car, which is right there, and I put it on the top level, and the way the wind is blowing, I have a feeling I'm not going to have that much accumulation on my car, which would be cool. And what's kind of funny is that the cars that are parked below have more snow on them than my car. There's my car. Look at the cars underneath. So funny. Okay, it's almost 10 o'clock and conditions have become considerably worse. The snow is going sideways now. We almost have whiteout conditions. The plows have been running since 5 and they're keeping up with it, but the snow's coming down so fast, they just have to pretty much go continuously. See, there's one right now. There's my car. So the snow is blowing so much that it's not accumulating on the cars, which is really good news. It would be less work to get myself out of there. So this guy's going around the parking lot in this little bulldozer, and he's just kind of like throwing the snow into the river, making big piles along the edges, but right there it's just like he's just trying to plow it into the river, I think. But the snow's coming down so fast that he just has to continuously go and go and go. It's pretty funny. He's working his ass off though. I have to give it to him. Complete whiteout conditions here. Oh my God. Noontime on Saturday, January 29th. Blizzard in Rhode Island. And the snow is just blowing in every direction. Crazy. Okay, so there's a woman out there with her little tiny dog. I don't think I would have chosen this time to go out, but she's out there. January 29th, 2022.
Sunny as a motherfucker.
Really crappy weather out here. It's almost a complete sun out. It's really cold, really windy. The sun is shining. So freaking gross. Hate it. Look at this little car just going. It's just been going. Yeah. Sunny all the time. It's so boring. But anyway, I won't be driving anytime soon. Look at these cars are all snowed in. There's my car. And the little bobcat is still going around and around. He's making big, huge piles of snow. I know you're jealous. So I've only been showing you pictures of the outside. Here's what it looks like from inside the house. Look at my windows. It's like pretty soon I won't even be able to see outside. Look at this one. Oh God. Yeah, it's pretty ridiculous. I need to be a snowbird. It's still going strong. January 29th. It's 4 something. I don't even know what time it is. But this is what it's still doing. It's not blowing as hard, but that's actually a bad thing because my car's starting to get covered in snow. But I guess it doesn't really matter because it's buried in it. The snow from the plow is piling up against the back of my car, and my front wheels are just like buried in snowdrift. So yeah, it's fun. I need $200,000 so I can be a snowbird.